button, got it.
So, oh ini gimana nih?
Got it. Just push button, got it.
Hah? Oh,
Okay. Andi Chandra 60. Namanya Agus.
Agustinus Tibutia.
Oke, tipe Tia. Tia. Oke, Tia.
Antara TA dengan A ada tanda petik.
Oh, ada TA gitu.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oke. Oke. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
No, I'm not sure.
Miss, I'm sorry.
Okay. Miss Dong, don't forget. I'm still woman. Oh, still sih? I'm woman.
Mas, agak gugup, Miss.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Thank you for coming along today. My name is Miss Aini. I'm the manager here who invite you to attend this interview and I will ask you some question. Actually, Mr. Rahmat give 13 questions to you, but I don't ask everything about that, and then just a little maybe. If I ask you more than that, it means you can answer that question. Okay. So at first question for all, please tell me about yourself.
My name is Agustinus Tibutia. You can call me Gusti. I'm 20 years old.
Okay.
I'm from Flores. I graduated from Tadikapuri Airline Business Career and Ditondro in 2021.
Okay, 2021. Okay, can you tell me what did you learn from your job training at Tadikapuri?
Tadikapuri. During my training at Tadikapuri, learned English, customer service, grooming, ground handling, and communication skill.
Okay. Can you tell me? Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Okay. So why do you want to be an airline staff?
Yes. What?
Why do you want to be an airline staff?
Because I think a job at an airline is a noble job that is serving.
Okay. Why do you want to work at our company?
Because my educational background is Mandarin, being an airline staff.
Okay, because of that, you want to be you want to work at our company, yeah? So why should we hire you?
Because in this company I work according to what I learned in my education.
Okay. Can you tell me what is your weakness?
My weakness is my poor English skills. To overcome that, will continue learn by myself from YouTube videos.
Okay. 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 And then can you say to me what is your greatest strength? Your greatest strength?
My greatest strength is my toughness dealing with every problem.
Okay. Can you tell me what is your biggest achievement before?
My biggest achievement is that I once was ranked the 8th when I had an entry test to the army in the physical test.
Wow. Okay. So you have tasked that you are come to the army. Okay, thank you. That's a biggest achievement you have. So how do you manage a complaint?
Yes.
How do you manage a complaint?
I will listen to the complaint personally, provide and explain and challenge it.
Okay. Okay. I think your explanation good enough. So how much is your expected salary?
My expected salary is in line with the company policy recording new employees.
Employees. Okay. I think our company will give you 3 million. You want it or not? 3 million, you want it or not?
What?
3 million, you want or not? If you hired at our company? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Do you have any question?
What?
Do you have any question?
Do you have any question?
Do you have any?
Do you have any question?
A question? What do you mean? A question?
No, 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 no. I process.
Huh?
I process. I process.
Huh?
Do you have any question?
Okay. Maybe I accept that you ask for types of our company one. Maybe thank you for the question. I think we want to hire someone that have discipline and then know how to manage a complaint, know how to manage the time again, and then be responsible person. Actually, politeness will be one of uh, one of types of our company wants. Thank you so much for asking me that.
Okay.
Okay. Are you nervous? You don't have to. Okay, thank you. Oke. Ada yang lengket nih gitu. Oke. Ya, jadi Miss namanya Acak ya. Setelah Agus itu Miss Acak.
Nice.
Yang namanya Hasmi ada.
Ada, Miss.
Oke.
Ada.
Oke. You don't have to look at me like that. Tea.
Ada kan?
Hasmi. Hai Hasmi.
Belum siap, Miss. Belum siap, Miss.
Kenapa belum siap?
Tidak tahu, Miss.
Kalau yang namanya Mardia ada?
Ada.
Oke, silakan
Miss.
Mardia.
Mardia. Belum siap, Miss.
Jadi siapa ini yang udah siap? Ya ampun.
Saya, Miss.
Nah, what's
Miss.
your name? What's your name?
My name is Antonio Francisco, Miss. Antonio Francisco.
Oke, Antonio Francisco. Nih kenapa ini cewek-cewek ini kok nggak mau maju ya? Kalau kalian belum siap, kenapa? Kok bisa, Antonio?
Wait.
Oke, hai Antonio.
Yes, Miss.
Hi.
Hi, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm good, Miss.
Oke. Iya, bagus ya jawabannya karena Miss mau menerima jawaban yang bukan I'm fine. Oke. I guess. Okay. So I will ask you some questions. You have to be ready to answer that question using English language. You don't have to worry about that. Just stay calm. You don't have to be confused or maybe you feel nervous. You don't have to. Because your confidence is more valuable here. Okay. I want to ask you. Please tell me about yourself.
My name is Antonio Francisco. I'm an graduate student from Tadip Kapuri, Ireland's business, who has high work ethic and able to learn new things quickly, disciplined, and honest.
Okay. Is that? Okay. Why do you want to be an airline staff?
Um, Proficiency in words are because of my own wishes and also the support from my friends and my family. So I decided into what to become an Ireland staff.
So can you tell me, what did you learn from your job training at Tadikapuri?
I'm student some materials so as RAM handling, weekends and balance, English air, English air staff, and communication skill.
Okay. You don't learn English at that at that foundation, don't you? Don't you learn about English? Yeah, no problem. Okay, can you tell me why should we hire you?
Yes, miss.
Why should we hire you?
I meet all the classification recruit from the position and my operation education background will greatly help me to do well in this company.
Okay. Okay. Why do you want to work at our company?
This this company already has a good and big name in the community, can work with a good team to increasing my knowledge and appreciation and ability in carrying out my duties and work.
Okay. That's great. What is your weakness?
Repeat, miss.
What is your weakness?
I have a weakness in a passive English, but I'm currently trying to learn it to help me deal with foreign customers one day.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me what is your greatest strength?
I'm sociable person, I have good communication skill, and I'm ready to work with target.
Okay. Okay. That's great. So, what is your biggest achievement?
Yes, sir. Yes,
What
miss.
is your biggest achievement?
I hope that in the future the company can be more advances with my presence here, and I have given the trust to hold a position with more responsibility.
Uh, how do you manage a complaint?
Repeat, miss.
How do you manage a complaint?
Be patient and not get carried away with emotions. Pay attention to customer when they are talking, admit mistake, and apologize to customer.
Okay. Can you tell me how much is your expected salary?
Uh,
How
Dari-
much is your expected salary?
Previously, I have calculation to cost of living and the salary range for the position I am currently applying for that I hope the company can give me salary in the rate of 4 million and 5 million.
Okay, to 5 million, yeah. Okay, thank you. Do you have any question?
Yes, Miss.
What is that?
After the interview process is over, when do you think I can follow the text process?
Okay. I think you should follow our instruction that we will give you an email after this interview. I think your interview, I think you get a little bit nervous, but don't have to worry about that. Thank you so much for asking me that. Thank you for coming.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. You're welcome. Kalian kenapa kok ini semua ya? Jangan malu-malu dong.
Miss terlalu cantik.
Thank you so much. Ya ampun, kalian pandai. Ini nih, siapa ini lagi? Miss nggak bakalan nanya lagi nama, soalnya ada banyak yang belum siap. Siapa lagi?
Siapa lagi?
What's your name?
My name is Almira Ilmiah.
Almi. Oh my God. Wait. Ntar ya. Almira Ilmiah ya?
Yes, Miss.
Ntar ya. Almira Ilmiah ya?
Yeah, Miss.
Landak. Ntar ya, Almira Ilmiah. Almira Ilmiah ya. Oke. Sudah. Oke, hi.
Hi, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, you're good. Okay, I will ask you some question in this interview. Okay. So, are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay. Thank you for coming along today. My name is Miss Aini. I'm the manager here. We invite you to attend this interview and I will ask you some questions. You have to answer it using English language. And the first, I want to know more about you. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Almira Ilmiah, but you can call me Mira. I am 18 years old. I'm grad from Tadikapuri Arlians Business Card School, majoring in Arlian staff in 2021.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Why do you want to be an airline staff?
Because I have good ability and strongness in working in this company.
Okay. Can you tell me? Okay. Okay, that's the reason why do you want to be an airline staff, yeah? Can you tell me? Why should we hire you? Why should we hire you?
From job training, I learned how to service passengers in the process of booking and purchasing airline ticket.
Okay. Okay. I want to ask you, do you have any work experience before? Yes. Do you have any work experience before?
Apa, Miss? Nggak.
Do you have any work experience before?
No, I have no previous work experience, but I joined a training in this field for about 6 months.
Okay. Thank you. So can you tell me, why do you want to work at our company?
Because I think this company is one of the best companies and all their service are good.
Okay. Thank you. So can you tell me, what is your weakness?
I'm not good at English, but I'm always learning soldier and improvement English.
Okay. What is your greatest strength?
I'm an active, dynamic, attractive person and responsible for doing work.
Okay. How do you manage a complaint?
Listen well to extend complaints and discuss with surprise and phone forward information to passengers.
Okay. How much is your expected salary?
With the ability, experience, and achievement that I have, the expect income I want is the until 4 million.
Okay. Until 4 million. Because I'm rich enough, I will give you that. But you have to prove that you are the best from the other employee, yeah? Do you have any question?
Yes.
What is that?
What make employees feel at home in your company?
Okay. Make employee false at our company is when you do something wrong, then you don't apologize for that mistake. And then also about your behavior, and then your attitude, actually your attitude, and then your responsibility. When we ask you for some job and you don't do it clearly, we should give you punishment maybe. Okay, thank you for asking me that. Thank you so much, Honey Bunny Squid.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, next will be siapa yang selanjutnya, siapa? What's your name?
My name is Selviani.
Selpiani. Okay, Selpiani, right? Okay. Hi,
Hi, Miss.
how are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, you're doing great. Okay, are you ready?
Right? Yes, ready.
Okay. Thank you for coming along today. My name is Miss Aini. I'm the manager here who invite you to attend this interview, and I will ask you some questions. Please tell me about yourself.
My name is Selviani, but just call me Selvi. I am 17 years old. I graduated from Tadikapuri Airlines Business Career School, majoring in airline staff in 2021. And I have to on-job training as a ticketing staff of Sultan Hasanuddin International Airport for about 2 months.
Okay, 2000. 2000 month. Wah, banyak itu. Udah benar-benar banyak itu. Okay. Can you tell me why should we hire you?
You can hate me because I have a good truth notes and also have marketing skills.
Oh, wait. Wait a minute. I will give you space. Miss, bentar ya. Bentar aja.
Yes, Miss. Siapa yang pulang kertasnya? Aku gitu dong. Tidak kelihatan.
Hello.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Next question will be, why should we hire you?
You can hit me because I have a good thoroughness and also have marketing skills.
Tunggu, kalian kenapa ketawa sama ekspresi ini? Okay. Can you tell me why do you want to work at our company?
Yes, sir. You Miss ulang.
Why do you want to work at our company?
Because I think this company is one of the best companies and all the service are good.
Okay. Can you tell me, what is your weakness?
Yes, Miss.
What is your weakness?
I'm not good at English, but I'm always learning, so I can feel that there has been improvement in my English.
Okay. Can you tell me,
Yes, Miss.
what is your greatest strength?
I am an active, dynamic, active person and responsive about the work that I do.
Okay. You're responsible with the word that you speak up or something like that. Okay. Can you tell me, how do you manage a complaint?
Listen well to the existing complaint and discuss it with me supervisor and then give a feedback and further information to the passengers that complains.
Okay. Okay. That's great. Can you tell me, how much is your expected salary?
With the ability, experience, and equipment that I have, the expected income I want is in the range of 5 million.
Okay, 3 to 5, yeah. Thank you. I want to ask you something. Do you have any work experience before?
Do you have any work?
Have any work experience before?
No, I have no preference for experience, but I joined a training in this field for about 6 months.
Okay. Okay. Do you have any question?
Yes.
What is that?
I want to know more about the culture of the work in this company.
Okay, the culture is our flight schedule is not depend on the what you serve, and then the culture is when we celebrate something, you have to communicate with the senior actually, and you have to be patient and then be polite to the other senior employee. Okay.
Yes,
Okay, thank you so much.
thank you, Miss.
Okay, welcome. Kalian kok ketawa? Ini next siapa? What is your name?
My name is Nobita Sari.
Okay, can you open your mouth ya? Nopita?
Nobita Sari.
Nopita. Loh, mana ini Nopita? Loh, kok nggak ada? Nopita Sari?
Yes, Miss.
Kok nggak ada ya?
Wow. Belum membayar.
Oh, ini, tunggu. Miss masukkan dulu ya. Nopita Sari. Ntar ya, Nopita Sari. Job interview. Ntar ya, agak sabaran. Karena namanya nggak muncul di sini nih.
Bukan dia yang nama kemarin juga bersambung nama tak. Tidak bersama sama namanya temanku, Miss.
Nggak ada gitu. Sering absen nggak?
Ya, sering, Miss.
Absen online sering?
Sering.
Ah, yang benar.
Nabil enggak ada.
Miss,
Ya.
itu namanya tak sambung, Miss. Muhammad Rafli Novitasari.
Ah, gimana?
Maksudnya kan tidak salah ketik itu. Tidak,
Oh, Muhammad Rapli Nopita Sari.
ya. Tapi namanya Novitasari, Miss. Yang ini.
Oh. Oh, oh iya. Oh, ada ternyata namanya. Miss salah tulis kayak gini.
Ya, Miss. Muhammad
Sama.
Rafli beda sama Novitasari.
Kirain sama loh. Wah,
Beda.
enggak beda ya. Oke.
Beda, Miss.
Bentar ya. Walah, kirain nggak ada namanya di sini. Ternyata ada Muhammad Rapli Nopita Sari. Miss sudah spasi loh itu. Miss kasih spasi. Ternyata salah masuk juga. Bentar ya, sabar ya. Nopita Sari. Ini kok lama ya sampai ke bawah. Oke, mantap. Oke. Muhammad Rapli Nopita Sari. Nopita Sari itu sendiri ya?
Yes.
Loh, berarti ada banyak orang loh di sini?
Ya?
Ada banyak ya?
Ya, 23, Miss.
Wah,
23.
enggak, tapi di sini jadinya di database ini ada banyak. Nopita Sari. Oke. Oke. Nopita Sari ya?
Yes, Miss.
thank you for coming along today. How are you today?
I'm good, Miss.
Okay, you're good. Nopita Sari ya? Okay. Are you ready?
Ready?
So the first question will be, please tell me about yourself.
My name is Nopita Sari, but just call me Nopi. I am 18 years old. I come from Mamasa, West Sulawesi. I graduated from Tadika Puri Business Career, majoring in airline staff in 2021.
Okay. Why should we hire you?
Because I have the ability, skill, and knowledge as you are looking for in this company.
Okay. Why do you want to work at our company?
Please repeat.
Why do you want to work at our company?
Because in my opinion, this company is one of the best companies that has good service and has been widely known by the public.
Okay. Can you tell me what is your what is the reason you want to be an airline staff, or why do you want to be an airline staff?
Because of my own desire and want to serve people well by becoming an airport staff.
Okay. Can you tell me what is your weakness?
My weakness is not good at English, but I will always learn so I can feel that there has been improvement in my English.
Okay. Can you tell me what is your greatest strength?
My great strength is that I can see situation from various problem that quality me to complete my work even the challenging conditions.
Okay. Can you tell me?
Please repeat, Miss.
Can you tell? Do you have any work experience before? Do you have any work experience before?
I don't have any forest experience.
Before. Okay. Can you tell me how do you manage a complaint?
AX mode.
How do you manage a complaint?
Yes,
How do you manage a complaint?
coordinate with airlines and related parties and provide service to passengers in accordance with the regulated professions.
Okay. Can you tell me how much is your expected salary?
Expect a salary of 3 to 4 million as new employee in your company.
Okay. Can you tell me, do you have any question overall?
Yes.
Do you have any question?
What types of skill is that you missing that you're looking to fill with a new hire?
Okay, we want to hire the person who want to know more than she know or they know about the work, and then we want a person that used to work under pressure, and then we want to hire a person that discipline, good attitude, and then a good looking actually, and you have to know how to make the data from this word. Maybe you work at ticketing, maybe you have to know how to fix the data or solve the data that we give to you. Okay, thank you so much for asking me that.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Siapa selanjutnya? What is your name?
Hanifa, Miss.
Hanifa. Hanifa? Benar ya? Okay. Hi Hanifa, how are you?
I'm good, Miss.
Okay. Are you ready?
Ready.
Please tell me about yourself.
Thank you in advance. I have been given the opportunity to answer your question. My name is Hanifa. You call me Iva. I am 18 years old. I graduated from Tadikapuri in 2021. I come from Lu, South Sulawesi.
Okay. Can you tell me why do you want to be an airline staff?
Because being an airline staff enables me to meet a lot of people, and being an airline staff in an interesting job, in my opinion.
Okay. Can you tell me why should we hire you?
Because I have mastered the skill that I acquired during my study at an aviation school that fit the job in this company.
Okay. Thank you. Why do you want to work at our company?
Because I can see that your company and I share the same ideal, that is to give the best to the customer.
Okay. Can you tell me what is your weakness?
My weakness is that my English skills are poor, but I will learn by myself from English videos on YouTube.
Okay. Can you tell me what is your greatest strength?
My greatest streak is that
Strength?
I am a detail-oriented person.
Okay. Can you tell me what is your biggest achievement?
What
What is your biggest achievement?
my biggest achievement is winning the second place of the practical health service competition.
Okay. Can you tell me, do you have any work experience before?
I don't have any work experience before, but I joined on the job training at Nabire Airport for 2 months.
Okay. So how do you manage a complaint?
I will listen to the complaint patiently, then I will do my best to find the solution.
Okay. I think that's good. How much is your expected salary?
Ulang, sir. Ulang, miss.
How much is your expected salary?
How much? My expected salary is in line with the company's policy regarding the new employees.
Okay. Do you have any question?
Yes. What benchmark does your company ask to assess the employees' performance?
Okay. We want to give all the new employee big goals, and we want to build an service excellent people here. Okay. Thank you for asking me that.
Welcome.
Okay, next. Setelah Hanifa siapa?
Muhammad Rafli, Miss. Muhammad Rafli.
Muhammad Rapli.
Yes.
Muhammad Rapli.
Yes.
Wait.
Yang namanya Deno Vitasari tadi.
Muhammad Rapli, silahkan Muhammad Rapli. Hi.
Hi, Miss.
How are you today?
I am good.
Okay. You're good. Are you ready?
Ready, Miss.
Okay. Thank you for coming along. My name is Miss Aini. I'm the manager here. We invite you to attend this interview, and I will ask you some questions. Please tell me about yourself.
My name is Muhammad Rafli. I am 18 years old. I graduated from Tadikapuri Airline Business Career, majoring in airline officer in 2021. I am from Nusa Tenggara Timur
Okay. Can you tell me why do you want to work at our company?
because it will be a great honor to work for such a big company.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me why should we hire you?
Will I have the ability, skill, and knowledge that you are looking for? I am a person who can work with smart working manner, and I have skill at making decision and at public speaking.
Okay. Can you tell me why do you want to be an airline staff?
Because I want to improve my family economy. Beside I am also family's economy. Beside I am also passionate about the world of aviation.
Okay. Can you tell me what is your weakness?
My weakness is that I don't much patience when working in a team. To overcome that weakness, I always set a specific team to pray for patience before working.
Okay, that's great. Overcome. Okay. Can you tell me what is your greatest strength?
I believe that my greatest strength is that I can solve problems quickly and efficiently. I have multiple perspective on one case, helping me to decide which best solution apply.
Okay. Can you tell me how do you manage a complaint?
First, I will respond to the complaint, give solution and empathy. Then I will apologize for the inconvenience. Then I will take complaints as evaluation for the betterment of my work.
Can you tell me, did you have or do you have any experience before?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any experience before?
I have worked as a delivery person at Aqua.
Okay. So how much is your expected salary?
Yes, miss.
How much is your expected salary?
Beside on my evaluation on myself, I expect the range of 5 to 7 million.
5 to 7 million. Wow, that's great. Okay. Do you have any question?
Will I be working in a team or individually?
Okay. You will work individual and then with a team actually. Okay. Thank you for asking me that.
You're welcome, miss.
Yeah.
Thank you, miss.
Welcome. Next will be. What is that?
Arya Ode.
Siapa?
Arya Ode.
Arya.
Arya Ode.
Arya Ode Rusaeni.
Yes.
Okay, hi.
Hi, miss.
How are you?
I'm good. And you, miss?
Okay, thank you for asking me that. I'm great. I'm great enough.
What, miss?
Yeah. Okay, sudah?
Okay.
Okay. Ready ya?
Ready, miss.
Okay. Thank you for coming along today. My name is Miss Aini. I'm the manager here who invite you to attend this interview and I will ask you some questions. You have to be ready to answer those questions. So the first question will be knowing yourself, deep about yourself. So can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Arya Ode Rusaeni. You can call me Arya Alvaro Java. I'm 18 years old. I graduated from Tadi Kapuri, Makassar Airline Business Career, majoring in airline officer in 2021.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me what did you learn from your job training at Tadi Kapuri?
Things that I learned during my study at Tadi Kapuri are how to process ticketing digital, how to serve passenger, and how to do cargo handling.
Okay. Can you tell me why do you want to be an airline staff?
What Miss?
Why do you want to be an airline staff?
Because I want to improve my family's economy. Besides that, I am also passionate about the world of efficient.
Okay. Can you tell me why do you want to work at our company?
Because this company has a good name and big name, so it will be a great honor to my work for such a big company.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me why should we hire you?
Well, I have the abilities, skill, knowledge that you are looking for. I am a person who can work by smart working, and I have skill at making decision, public speaking.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me what is your weakness? But I don't think so you have your weakness because you are perfect enough.
My weakness is that I don't much.
Okay. Okay. Do you hear my word before? I don't think you have weakness because you are perfect enough.
What?
Tahu nggak artinya? Tahu nggak artinya?
No.
Miss rasa nggak punya kekurangan ya karena sudah perfect, sudah sangat perfect. Ya udah, gitu aja ekspresinya. Ini mau Miss mau gombal nih nggak mempan sama kalian, nggak masalah. Ini Miss gombal aja ya. Ini just kidding. Oke. What is your weakness?
My weakness is that I don't much patterns when working in a team. To overcome my weakness, I always set a specific time to pray for patterns before working.
Okay, thank you. So can you tell me what is your greatest strength?
I believe that my greatest strength is that I can solve problems quickly and efficiently. I have multiple perspective on one case, helping me to decide which best solution to apply.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me what is your biggest achievement?
I feel participated in soccer tournaments and won several times with my team.
Okay. Okay. That's your big achievement, yeah. So how do you manage a complaint? How do you manage a complaint?
What I know about this?
Huh? How do you manage a complaint?
I will listen to the complaint potentially, then I will to do my best to find the solution.
Okay. Okay, to find a solution. How much is your expect salary?
Okay, based on my evaluation on myself, I expected the range of 3 to 5 million.
3 to 5 million. Okay. Can you tell me, overall, do you have any question?
Question?
Yes.
Yes.
What is that?
If I expected for this company, will I be working in a team or individual?
Okay, you will work individual and with team. Both of them. Thank you for asking me that. Thank you so much. Next.
Thank you, Miss.
Oke. Selanjutnya siapa? What's your name?
My name is Rifsal Ifrat.
Ripsal Irfat.
Ifrat.
Ifrat. Okay. Hi.
Hi, Miss.
Okay. What can I call you? What can I call you?
Rifsal.
Ripsal. Can I call you mine? Miss Gombal, kalian kalau Miss Gombal ini kalian gak nyapa. Can I call you mine?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Walah, ini buaya juga ya. Female male crocodile ini. Oke lah. Oke, thank you for coming along. How are you? How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, thank you for coming along today. I want to ask you some questions. You have to answer using English language. You have to be confident when answer this question. So please tell me about yourself.
My name is Rifsal Ifrat. I am a graduate taking school to Goa. I am a graduate student from Tadi Kapuri Airlines who has his work ethic, able to learn new things quickly, disciplined, and honest.
Okay. Can you tell me what did you learn from your job training at Tadi Kapuri?
I studied some materials such as RAM handling, English, and so on.
Okay, so on. Okay, can you tell me why do you want to be an airline staff?
Previously, it was because of my own wishes and also the support from my parents and surrounding, so I decided to want to become an airline staff.
Okay, so why do you want to work at our company?
This company already has a good and big name in the community, can work with a good team to increase my knowledge, experience, and ability in carrying out my duties at work.
Okay, why should we hire you?
I meet all the classification required for this position, and my appropriate educational background will greatly help me to do well in this company.
Okay, can you tell me what is your biggest achievement? Biggest achievement.
I hope that in the future the company can be more advanced with my presence here, and I am given the tools to hold a position with more responsibility.
Okay, can you tell me what is your weakness?
I have a weakness in passive English, but I am currently trying to learn it to help me deal with foreign customers one day.
Okay, what is your greatest strength?
I am a sociable person, have good communication skills, and I am ready to work with targets.
Okay, can you tell me how do you manage a complaint?
Be patient and not get carried away by emotions. Pay attention to customers when they are talking, admit mistakes, and apologize to customers.
Okay, can you tell me how much is your expected salary?
Previously, I have calculated the cost of living in the salary ranks for the position I am currently applying for. For that, I hope the company can give me a salary in the ranks of 3 million to 4 million.
Okay. Can you tell me, do you have any work experience before?
I hope that in the future the company can be more advanced.
No. Do you have any work experience before?
Sorry, in advance, sir, I don't have work experience for now.
Okay. Overall, do you have any question?
Yes, sir. After the interview process is over, when do you think I can follow the next process after further?
Okay. I think you should wait until we send you an email. Okay? Okay, thank you for asking me that. Thank you for coming along. No, I'm not sure. Miss.
Yes, miss.
Ya, jangan panggil sir dong. Alah. No, I'm not. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, miss.
Okay. Next will be hi, young lady. What's your name?
My name is Christianti Stella S.
Christy. Okay. Christianti Stella S. Correct? Okay. Are you ready?
Ready, miss?
Okay. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks.
Okay. Thank you for coming along today. My name is Miss Aini. I'm the manager here who invite you to attend this interview, and I will ask you some questions. You have to be ready to answer that question correctly. Okay. The first question. I want to know more about you, about yourself. So please tell me about yourself.
My name is Christianti Stella S. You can call me Christia. And I am 17 years old. I am from in Mamasa, West Sulawesi.
Okay, wait. Can you open your jacket, please? Okay, silahkan. Please tell me about yourself.
My name is Christianti Stella S. You can call me Christia. I am 17 years old. I am from in Mamasa, West Sulawesi. I am graduated from Tadikapuri Business Career in 2021.
Okay. Can you tell me what did you learn from your job training at Tadikapuri?
What I learned from training at Tadikapuri is being able to master the situation at the airport, knowing about what to do at the airport.
Okay. Can you tell me why do you want to be an airline staff?
Because I have enough ability in the airlines world and want to be successful in the aviation world.
Okay. So, why do you want to work at our company?
Because I want to develop, hone, and show my skill in this aviation world.
Okay, you want to show your ability at our company, right? So, why should we hire you?
Because I have skill and some abilities in the field of aviation.
Okay, that's the reason why should I hire you. Can you tell me what is your weakness?
My weakness is that I am not able to speak English well. To overcome that, I will learn English via online learning.
Okay, you learn from online learning, daring ya. Okay, can you tell me what is your greatest strength?
I am able to solve many people and able to interact with many people, but in Indonesian, not in English yet.
Okay. Can you tell me? Can you tell me how do you manage a complaint?
If I get complaint, I will deal with in a coherent and professional manner.
Okay. Can you tell me how much is your expected salary?
When I comes to salary, just adjust if to the salaries of employees in this place.
Okay. Okay, I will give you that. So, can you tell me, do you have any work experience before?
I don't have any previous work experience, but I gained a training of how to perform the work at Tadikapuri.
Okay. Do you have any question?
Yes, Miss.
What is that?
When when can I reference my interview result, Miss?
Okay, the result we will give you an interview result next week, yeah. So thank you for asking me that, Christia, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, next will be what's your name, Hanibani Sweet?
Puput.
Puput Hussein. Puput Hussein, right?
Miss.
Yes. Okay, hi.
Hi, Miss.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Are you ready?
Ready, Miss.
Okay, thank you for coming along today. My name is Aini. I'm the manager here who invite you to attend this interview, and I will ask you some questions. Please tell me about yourself.
My name is Puput Hussein, but you can call me Puput. I'm come from North Maluku. I graduated from Tadikapuri Airlines Business Career 2021.
Okay. Can you tell me what did you learn from your job training at Tadikapuri?
What I learn is how to perform a good customer service and how to do ticketing.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me why do you want to work at our company?
Being part of this company is one of the things that I want because towards this company and position. It can give me a chance to work and build a better career.
Okay. Can you tell me why should we hire you?
I have the ability, skills, and knowledge that you are looking for. I am person. We can work smartly, and I am good decision making. Decision making.
Can you tell me why do you want to be an airline staff?
Because I have just graduated from airline school majoring in weighing and airport staff, and that's about to the work uh, at the airports involving the customer service and communication skill.
Okay, thank you. Do you have what is your weakness?
My weakness is that my English skill are poor, so I will learn English more by join an English course.
Okay. Can you tell me what is your greatest strength?
My greatest strengths are my self-confidence, work spirit.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Can you tell me how do you manage a complaint?
I manage a complaint by first listening to the complaint patiently, then apologizing, then providing the solution.
Okay. Thank you. How much is your expected salary?
Regarding the salary, I trust in the company's policy.
Okay. Okay. Do you have any work experience before?
I don't have any previous work experience, but I joined a training of how to perform the one at Tadika Puri.
Okay. Can you tell me? Do you have any question overall?
Yes, miss.
What is that?
What skill are needed in this position?
Okay. The skill we want is can communicate, polite, and then know how to fix the problem, solving problem. And then we want someone that can use computer, and then can know the formula of Microsoft Excel. Just that. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome, miss. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Next will be hi, what's your name?
Hi, Miss.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Puri Rahayu.
Puri Rahayu. Okay. Puri Rahayu. Hi, are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, thank you for coming along. Okay, I want to ask you, how are you today?
I'm good.
Thank you for coming along today. My name is Miss Aini. I am the manager here who invite you to attend this interview, and I will ask you some questions at this time. So please tell me about yourself. I want to know.
Thank you. Introduce my name is Puri Rahayu. Usually called Ayu. I am 18 years old. I am a graduate of senior high school to Bulukumba. I come from Bulukumba. Do not have work experience and have not worked. My hobby are reading and traveling.
Hobby of reading and traveling. Okay. Can you tell me why do you want to be an airline staff?
I have a great interest, especially working in the world of aviation, especially in the field of this airline stuff, and I think this company is the right place to realize my dream.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me why should we hire you?
Thank you, Miss, because I am very happy is expected her because I think can work with the skill I have and knowledge about the world of pills and in accordance with the qualification that you need.
Okay. Can you tell me why do you want to work at our company?
Because I have expression or interest to work in the aviation world.
Okay. What is your weakness?
My weakness is that I'm not fluent in English, but even to talk, I'm not fluent. I still try to learn from books and also take online English classes.
Okay. What is your greatest strength?
I want to make sure that my work is perfect, so I tend to spend as much time as possible checking in it again. However, if struck a fine balance using the system that is about to make sure everything is done right the first time it's done.
Okay. Can you tell me, do you have any work experience before?
I understand that as I have explained to you earlier, I do not have any work experience of work, but what kind of test do you recommend for me to take in this field with a background like mine?
Okay, I will suggest you have to do ticketing job, and then you have to do something like in how to put and input the data from Word into Excel. Okay, and can you tell me how do you manage a complaint?
I will remain calm and smile. Server and respect passengers will finding out what the cause of the problem is and fixing the problem immediately finding a solution.
Okay. Actually, how much is your expected salary?
My salary expression is 4 or 9 millions, madam, because this figure is the salary range for ticketing staff. Positions that airport with my abilities or skill in that fail. I think it is appropriate to able to release that nominal.
Okay. Okay. I think you have to work first. After that, I will give you range. What type of salary do you want? Okay. Do you have any question?
Can you give a assignment for my interview session earlier?
Okay, I will give you. I will give you. Thank you so much for asking me that. Thank you. Yeah. Terima kasih. Next will be
Hello, sir. Miss,
hi. What's your name?
my name is Hardin Hafid.
Wait. Hardin Hafif.
Yes.
Hafid. Okay, Hardin Hafid. Thank you for coming along, Hardin Hafid. How are you today?
I'm fine. I'm good.
Okay. Banyak jawaban, jangan I'm fine. Okay. Putri 11. Habib ya. Hafid, sorry. Hardin Hafid. Okay. Are you ready? Tadi udah bisa tanya ya?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Thank you for coming along today. My name is Miss Aini. I'm the manager here. We invite you to attend this interview.
Yes.
I will ask you some questions, but I want to know more about you. Please tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Hardin Hafid. You can call me Hardin. I'm from Southeast Sulawesi. Currently, I live in West Papua. I was born in 24 on October 2000.
Okay. Wait. Look. Wait a minute. Yeah, who is this? Okay, can you tell me why should we hire you?
Because I have skill in this company and my abilities are very suitable for this position.
Okay. Can you tell me why do you want to work at our company?
Because I am fresh graduate. I want to get my first job and I decide work in this company because I believe this company has satisfactory service for passengers.
Okay. Do you have any work experience before?
No, I don't have any experience work before because I am fresh graduate.
Okay, you're fresh graduate. Okay, well, I think your English is well. Why do you want to be an airline staff?
The desire become to staff is to encourage me to be able to get contact with many people, Besides just getting to know me, I make also be able to learn about the various types of specialties characters.
Okay, thank you. What is your weakness?
My weakness is I am a person who is easy forget in any case, but even so, I try reminding myself by setting an alarm.
Okay. What is your greatest strength?
My greatest strength is I am person who is able to solve the problem in creative way, and I also want to be part of the team that can develop the company well.
Okay. Can you tell me how do you manage a complaint?
For the first, I will listen the complainer by carefully, and after that, I give the best solution for the complainer.
Okay. How much is your expected salary?
My expected salary is 3 till 5 million, but if the board is the company, I will follow the salary standard that has been set.
Okay. Do you have any question?
Yes, I have any question.
You have any questions? So you have to say first, second, and third.
One question.
Go ahead.
My question is, how is the company currently developing?
Okay. In the future, we want to build a new service excellent. How the employee service this passenger well, and then we want to build a new technology at our company actually, and then we want to build great employee from the other companies. That's
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Thank you so much. Your English is very good, I think. Thank you. Pak Hapid.
Sir. Thank you very much, Miss.
Sir. Okay, next. Next will be selanjutnya siapa ini? What's your name, Hadibani Smith?
My name is Aisha Pasolaran.
Sasha. Sasha.
Aisha Pasolaran, Miss. Aisyah, Miss.
Aisyah?
Ya, Aisyah Pasolaran.
Ya ampun, Miss kira Sasha loh. Aisyah ternyata. Aisyah. Okay, Aisyah, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you for coming along today. My name is Miss Aini. I'm the manager here who invite you to attend this interview, and I will ask you some questions at this time. So please tell me about yourself.
My name is Aisyah Pasolaran. You can call me Aisyah. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Palopo, and I am graduated from Tadika Puri branch Anditon Makassar in 2021.
Okay. What did you learn from your job training at Tadika Puri?
Excuse me?
What did you learn from your job training at Tadika Puri?
What I learned from Tadika Puri is about aviation, how to speak well, and how to serve passengers and how to be a good airport staff.
Okay. Okay. Because I asked a lot of things to any students, so I have to drink. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. Can you tell me why should we hire you?
Because because I'm an equal person and I don't like to procrastinate. So I think I will easily fit this position.
Okay, that's great. That's great enough. We want to hire you, but why do you choose this company? Why do you want to work at our company?
Because I want to find a work experience in the world of aviation and want to be successful as an airline staff.
Okay. Can you tell me why do you want to be an airline staff?
Because being airline staff is my ambition, and it's a challenge for me to understand more about the work of aviation.
Okay. Can you tell me what is your weakness?
My weakness is that I don't much patient when working in a team. To overcome that weakness, I always set up a specific time to pray for patient before working.
Okay. Can you tell me how do you manage a complaint?
I manage a complaint by first apologize and listening the complaint carefully and to find and passionately, then in a cold-headed manner, I try to find a solution for the problem being complained.
Okay. How much is your expected salary?
For the salary, I believe in the company's policy and believe that the company will give me the amount to salary that is in accordance to my true worth.
Okay. Can you tell me? Do you have any question overall?
No, no, miss.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Next will be satu orang lagi nih bisa nih. Siapa? Ini delas ya. Selanjutnya kapan ya kira-kira? Nanti Miss tanya deh. Minggu inilah. Miss harap bisa minggu ini ya. Untuk interviewnya lagi. Oke. What's your name?
My name is Andika Putra Manopo.
Andika Putra Manopo.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay. Please tell me about yourself.
My name is Andika Putra Manopo. You can call me Andika. I am 20 years old. I live in Nabire, Papua, and I'm graduated from Tadika Puri Airline Business Career in 2021.
Okay. Why should we hire you?
Because I'm an yielding spirit, love to learn new things, and I'm ready to work in a team or individually. I have a good attitude, responsible and honest.
Okay. Can you tell me why do you want to work at our company?
Because in my opinion, your company is the best airline and always in fact the best service to passengers.
Okay. Can you tell me why do you want to be an airline staff?
It is a challenge job because I have to deal with different people, with different background, with different cultures, and we have to give them best service.
Okay. Thank you. Can you tell me what is your greatest strength?
My greatest strength is being able to work in a team and being able to provide good service to passengers.
Okay. What is your biggest achievement?
My biggest achievement is that I used to be one of the employees in a marketing company. Have I learned quite a lot, such as how to promote product and recruit new clients.
Okay. How do you manage a complaint?
What, miss?
How do you manage a complaint?
or when here is a complaint, I will listen to complaint patiently. Then I will find a solution for the problem. Apologize for the inconvenience.
Okay. Okay, how much is your expected salary?
My expected salary in accordance to the company policy and my performance.
Okay, so you have to work first, right? Do you have any question?
Yes, yes, miss.
What is that?
After this interview, what should I do next?
Okay, you should wait until we send you an email, and then you have to be patient if you hired or not. Because of what? There are many employees interviewee. Okay, thank you so much for asking me that.
Thank you, miss.
Okay. Oke, yang lainnya minggu depan ya. Miss, stop record.